very heavy, this end.
No.
Hang on, I'm gonna have to swap ends. Oh no, why didn't I go out the door? I can't really. Surely, what about now if we twist, you twist down and I twist up? Right.
No, I think we've got to come. I think I've got to go out.
Oh. We should have put some tape down the side of this.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, well, anyway, it'll be here so we can puff it in.
Yeah.
You think you've got to come out?
I think
No, go higher, higher. You've got to lift it higher. Oh, I've got to come lower. Yeah, you've got to go higher. No, higher, higher. There, that's it. Higher, keep it higher. There, get it past that twist again. Right. Oh, man. It's not going to help my back today, is it? We almost need it standing up so we can come out of one door and in another door.
Yeah.
Which we did have it at one point, I think. Yeah, that's good. Alright. Oh. Cool. There we go. Alright, ready? Can you tilt your... No, go out with the back. You need to go out with the back.
Yeah, but I'm at the roof. Oh. I was thinking go out the door, out your door.
Yeah, but I can't until this bit's clear.
Yeah, but what? Go out your... No, go out your door.
Yeah, but we're going to go back to the same position we was in before, Mush.
No.
Yeah, but we're in the same position
Can you
as...
see if you can go forward with yours a bit?
Yeah, but then we're going to do the same, but
Yeah,
just
no,
go out,
trying
out of
to-
your door.
No, what I'm trying to do was seeing if I could get over, but I don't know if I can.
But that's what I was trying to do in the opposite angle, Mush.
You can come over more.
No, but I've got a steering wheel, you ain't.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm going out your door. He said you've got to go out that door.
You're just making things
No,
up now.
I'm not. He said you didn't have to remove. He didn't have to remove the steering wheel, but I'm not sure how.
Right, hang on then, because I need to go
Got
around.
these plates.
Right.
Oh, fuck.
One side done. Oh, now we'll start. Oh, this is going to be very damaged by the time I get. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, didn't want to swear.
Open your door, I think.
Oh, hang on, because I
I've
can't.
got it.
Oh. Locked it. Woo! How did they make this? Did they make it in the car?
They've taken it out the car.
Yeah, but
You must have.
they must have made it. I don't know. We're close.
Oh, guys, move that bit of paper.
So it's Christmas. what did you do? Because that made mine. It's so close to passing the pillar. Yeah, now you're going to take the trims off, eh?
No, he didn't say anything about that, but I wonder, I don't know how much room behind this trim.
It's going to fly in now. Right, T8. Ready? Are you going to take
You
this?
need to remove that. Just fiddle that.
See what I'm doing? Now it's in, come on. I can feel it now. Lift that end. Oh yeah. We are close. It's not close.
It is. But I think
Oh, I'm pulling it pretty tight.
I'm tempted to fucking.
No, you're going to get the jam out. Hello, Pooch. You come to help? Eh? You come to help, have you? Now we're going to do this, eh? What are your thoughts? Messed up, haven't we?
Remove these.
What? What? What are you after? Now my phone's ringing.
0, 7,
Who's that?
7,
Oh, it's your phone.
0,
It's Adam's phone.
6, 1, 8, 1, 8.
Oh, I'm going to have a stretch, Adam.
Yeah, that's okay.
Leave the camera rolling, man. Otherwise I forget to press play. What? Don't start humping me, Mush. Right, then.
It's very tight.
Oh, we're in a pickle. Should I just get the porta power out and we'll push your car over a bit from pillar to pillar? Oh, yeah, swap sides. I'll have a look at your side. Yeah. You need to go up more there. Look. Somehow.
Well, because I can't get that down on the floor.
No, that's why we can't go up.
If you could push that end in for the possibility, it'd make life a lot easier. Because it's so thick in here.
Yeah.
That underlay.
With the last roll cage I've fitted, I actually put a ratchet strap on the car and yanked it in. But I'm wondering if we if we ratchet strap the two legs
That's
together,
what I was gonna say, yeah.
pull them together,
Put them together.
we'll be back. Was
Yes.
that your head?
No, it's my
Oh.
my elbow.
I thought you just hit your head. Where's the ratchet strap? Here. And here. Don't want to let's hook it like that.
I wonder how they got these guys.
Okay, watch this.
There's a low of it.
Yeah, probably do actually.
Like that, though. Oh. Oh. Any more than probably.
Don't want to go too much, but I wonder if it's worth having a little jiggle now and see if we've got enough to go. Oh,
Yep, there's more.
oh yeah.
I can go more.
Oh, I'm busy. No. I'm busy. Well, we're close.
More.
At least you can weld if it snaps. Oh, that's a whole different position.
Nope. If that.
Hang on, I can't. I'm gonna have to come out.
Watch your feet. What?
On the
If
wiring.
that drop, no, if that dropped down on your foot, that'll hurt.
Oh, I thought I was gonna tread on the wiring. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah. So close, man. Ah.
I think you need to go more.
What's that?
Ratchet strap.
Oh no, if we broke the centre console. Oh, we broke something. Loads of spares for these cars.
So you got to go a bit harder.
Oh, I've come the wrong side of this belt. Hang on. Oh no, there we go. Look at that. Ready?
Yep.
Pushy. Oh yeah, look, Adam. Oh yeah, you missed that.
Yeah.
That's got to go to the floor though.
No, it hasn't.
Where's that
Sits
going?
on them blocks.
Oh, so we got the blocks.
Yeah.
Oh, so maybe it's further forward.
No, I think it's further back. I think it sits up on top of this.
Oh, higher.
Tell you what.
Oh, if it fits higher, that's why We're struggling because it's wider up here.
Yeah, well, yeah, because I've probably got to cut all that out.
Should call you Arthur. Arthur Job. Is that my one? Yeah, mate, we got to go miles.
Yeah, and I've got a sunroof in this.
Huh? No, but surely it's got to come further back. It's got to be sitting around here, isn't it? Won't sit that far forward.
No.
So I think, in fact, it's got to come.
I know it is actually probably in the right position now. Just needs to go up.
Yeah, no, yeah, this needs to come here, and that needs to go forward more, maybe. More.
I think that is where it should go, but this needs to go up.
How can it go up? It's touching the ceiling.
I've got to push it up my back
No, you can't do that.
to put these underneath.
Mate, you're about... Put it next to it. Look, it's about...
Yeah, but bear in mind there's a fucking lot of flooring in there.
Don't... There's a lot of flooring in there.
A lot of flooring.
There's a lot of flooring in there.
There's a fucking lot of flooring.
Well, you... Yeah, because it can't...
I mean, I need to cut this out anyway.
So here, what happens here? Just bolts on?
That bolts and, yeah.
Because that's not sitting nowhere near, so...
No, but this isn't actually...
No, but I'm wondering if it needs to be more. Push, lift, come, get out.
We've just got to be careful of this.
Oi, get out, grab my end, at your end. We're going to sort of come back a bit more with it, but up at the...
Right, do you know what I'm going to do?
He's going to look at the instructions. There isn't any. There isn't any instructions. Oi. Oi.
There.
Come this way.
Oh,
Come on. He's done it wrong.
no.
What?
Yeah, I've got sunroof.
Mate, and it's bare. Mate, look where that is. That's right up there. Look, bro. We are miles up.
Yeah.
That needs to come up more here.
Yeah, we'll go issue. Got sunroof.
Oh, hang on.
No, look,
No.
it's in line with this stuff a little bit.
No, look, it's above that.
Yeah.
Look at the cable.
Yeah.
And I told you it needs to go higher. So?
Yeah, I know what I'm saying is my sunroof is the issue, isn't it?
No. No, I don't think so.
That's touching the roof now on.
I'm not welding up the sunroof and filling it in.
No, I know. I was just trying to figure out another way around
But
it.
on the pictures, it's definitely sitting higher.
Yeah, it's literally...
So that means, oi, you're not listening. It means it must sit more of an angle. Even more so. Because these need to be just above here, and this needs to be up here more. Jump. Get off the, come on. No, come on. Come on. I want a cup of coffee. The knees hurt. Well, he probably stripped the whole car out and...
Yeah, but the carpet's gone there, that's why he's not struggling here.
Yeah, but we're not even near there yet.
No, but I
It
wondered
needs
if
to
I
come
should just
more.
cut this carpet out so it can make this a little bit moving easier.
You can't put it back once you cut it.
No, I know.
Right.
But if you look at that,
Yeah. Oh, they actually... No, look, that is cut round. They sit there, like... They sitting out. You only see, look, that sits like that.
yeah.
because that's been cut round. Yeah, so no, we still need to go. It needs to go in position before we do anything.
Yeah.
So
That's why I was thinking, if worse comes to worse, we'll have to chop this and have to work that one today.
you know, listen, jump that side. You need to go. The front needs to tilt exactly. Hang on, I'm not standing up. I've got no strength. Why's mine stuck? What's going on there?
Really, right?
You can get yours. Mine's not coming up anymore.
There we go.
What about if we tilt the front forward and get the legs up first? No, you could do your back in then.
That is about the same position.
I bet it needs to be up here.
Yeah, I know.
That's what makes me think it needs to go further forward.
Gonna have to cut this out.
Go on then, you come out.
You're a nice sharp blade.
No. Everything's blunt like me. Worn out,
Where's
broken,
the blade?
in the blade drawer. Clearly marked blade. There then.
Can you just hold that for me? So every time I pull it, it's pulling it towards us.
I've got to be careful.
That's it. Nice. Lovely. Good, let go. Good, let go. Oh look. Someone's either jacked it up there.
Why'd they be jacking up there?
Yeah, but done. I've looked underneath this car.
Let me have a look. What do you think this? Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, good.
But it doesn't look as bad as it does.
Inside.
Yeah.
Right, well I've had an idea here.
That's why you don't jack up cars till you know where the jacking point is. Why would anyone think the jacking point
I
is
hooved
there?
in here as well.
Eh? What donut would think the jacking point is in the middle of the car? try my new hammer. Oh, my new hammer.
What do you have?
My new hammer. My new hammer. It's bigger than the dog, look. Bosh. Need a bit of wood.
There we go. Right.
What?
It'll go, but it almost goes up there now.
Almost.
But I'm thinking, right, I'm serious.
What going on?
It's
Oh.
is
Right.
maybe adjusting these. Because I've got a sunroof, we're never going to get it that high. Not in a million years.
You only got to cut the bottom off, haven't you? Like the bit what sits on the floor, show me.
Well, cut that front.
If that's the plate that bolts onto the thing,
So you just cut that off the shim for across there.
and then we have to weld it to the car.
It is basically that as well.
Yeah, but I don't know.
That's it.
It should be more.
Have we got any wood? Oh shit, my chance.
Would be nice if we had. Of course, we got some wood. Even another bit,
It's a similar size.
It was in that box, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's that's a bit short.
Oh yeah, it's a fair bit shorter.
So what happens here then?
You have to bolt that down.
That won't pull, that'll snap. Whoa, can you have space there?
I can put a wedge there, can't I? But it ain't going any further than that. That's me. That is me just pushing it back where you can see, look. I think that's in a nice place as well, look, you're up against it. I mean, that side can go back a shade. You've only got to cut a little bit off these.
Deep as well. Have to just paint down the sides. It's not all over this though, is it?
No. Just literally these
Just
two
down the
sides.
sides, yeah. That's right, we'll just paint from there and blow it in up there. Try not to get it all over your headline then.
have the roll cage now in.